Look at that bug eating the plant. But that's wrong, because in fact that plant, which grows here in this swampy country where the nitrogen is very low, makes up its nitrogen supply by actually eating bugs. It catches them, and sticky hairs digest them, and so build up its nitrogen supply. The most exciting of all of these insectivorous plants live really deep in the heart of these peat swamps. They actually have the leaves converted into insect-eating traps. Pick one. There's a leaf, and it's changed, even though it still conserves and carries out the normal function of leaves, that is, it's green and can use sunlight to change raw material into food, it's changed into a total trap. Has a little door, turned around a bit, and inside there's some fluid, nice sloppy liquid, which tends to smell a little bit. Around the top of it is a whole row of in-pointing teeth. This just lays down in the swamp. The insects come along, they're attracted to the fluid, they crawl in to get to the fluid. The lid never closes, it doesn't close like a trap, it just stays like that. But the insects trying to get out meet these down-hooked teeth and they can't get out. And eventually they drop back into the fluid and they're digested. And we'll just take a quick cut. Here we are. There's the digestive fluid, a few little bugs floating in it. And the name of this wondrous plant is the pitcher plant. P-I-T-C-H-E-R, pitcher from its shape. There are pitcher plants all over the world of different sorts. There's the Venus flytrap in America, but in Australia, this one is unique. It's the only one of its kind that you can find here. It lives deep in these swamps and has exactly the same problem as all the other insectivorous plants, how to get enough nitrogen. And this is its way. It eats insects in a most remarkable manner.